Hi there, Leslie Fields here, Communications Specialist for Mr. Sparky. Smart home technology can make our lives easier, and smart home products can improve your home security. With doorbell monitoring products, you can find out who's at your door and what's being delivered from your phone or tablet, making it easier to manage your household. Whether you're in your home office, preparing dinner, or just hanging out in the backyard. That's why we were so excited to install a doorbell ringer in Morgan's home.
I'm updating the chime and putting this on so when the doorbell is pushed, it'll actually ring the chime. Just like your normal doorbell. You swipe all the way down. That'll refresh your app. Okay. Click on your doorbell. Okay.
Oh, you can talk to it.
Correct. There you go.
Oh my gosh!
So,
It's like very clear too.
If I were to ring your doorbell, that's when you get the option to answer it like a phone call.
Perfect.
Okay, is that how
Yes,
you want
I
it?
like that.